Do you wake up almost every night around 2 or 3 a.m., even when your body is exhausted? That quiet wake up is silently destroying your deep sleep. A lot of boys panic when this happens. They start thinking, something is wrong with my body, or I've stopped growing. But relax, your body is not broken. This happens to millions of people. Most of the time, it's not a disease. It's your daily habits. Late night phone scrolling, stress and overthinking in bed, sleeping at different times every day, tea, coffee, or caffeine at night. Your brain never fully shuts down, so it pulls you out of deep sleep at 2 or 3 a.m. Here's the truth nobody tells you. Growing taller doesn't depend only on exercise or genetics. It depends on deep sleep, because real growth hormone is released only when you are in deep sleep. If you wake up at 2 to 3 a.m., your deep sleep gets interrupted. And when deep sleep breaks, growth hormone drops. That's why fixing sleep is more important than doing random exercises. If you want deeper sleep and better growth recovery, do these 5 things consistently. 1. Sleep before 11 p.m. 2. No phone at least 1 hour before bed. 3. Wake up at the same time every day. 4. Get morning sunlight on your face. 5. Move your body, exercise, or at least walk daily. No magic, no shortcuts, just routine. Deep sleep doesn't come back in one night. It improves slowly. But if you stay consistent, your body knows exactly how to fix itself. So if you wake up at 2 or 3 a.m., don't panic. Fix your habits. Protect your deep sleep, because deep sleep is where growth really happens. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.